Hello everyone, I thought I would share with you what I'm doing for tea. Again, not because it's like, oh, look at everything I'm making, but more like, oh, this is one that could be useful because it uses leftovers and it's so nice. Basically, if you've done like a Sunday dinner, make just sort of like a little bit extra, or don't have such big portions. That's what we did yesterday. And so we've got leftovers. So, these are my leftovers. I chopped them up last night to allow them to just dry out a bit. Yum, 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 yum. What I did is normally I do just like roast lamb and roast potatoes and the classic sort of roast. But instead, I did a sort of Moroccan style thing with the lamb. So rather than roasting it just normally, I roasted it with feta, basil and mint. And then instead of gravy, I made a tomato sauce, but it's like with honey and all sorts of stuff. Really nice. I'm kind of tempted to sit here eating this. But anyway, there it is. Look at that. And so this is what we're going to use to make a leftovers omelette. We in the family, we call it a gromlet or a gruffalo omelette because often it has gravy. But this one doesn't because it just had the tomato sauce. So this is just leftovers omelette. Yum, yum, yum. Here we go. Now, normally, if I was making this in normal times, not lockdown, I'd do like, I'd do sort of 3 eggs, but eggs are really precious at the moment. So what I'm going to do is just 1 egg and sort of make it a bit more, make it go further basically with milk. And then I'm going to whisk that a little bit, not too much, and then pour it over and then bake it and it's done. Awesome. So, I don't normally season stuff because otherwise it gets really not too thingy with this. But basically my test is if you sniff it and it smells really good, then actually you don't need to season it because it's just egg and egg isn't very flavoured anyway. So this will have all the lovely flavour there. So we're just going to whisk that, and then we're going to pour that over this, stir it in. And then give that a bit of a mix. And then that goes into the oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. And then you eat it. There we go. I'm going to set this is another one of my timers. I'm going to set my timer for 40 minutes. And then we're going to go for our fresh air walk. And then obviously also, if you made them this morning, I made them this morning. So we're having pudding pots for pudding. It's very nice. It's been a good day. I'm really tired because I mowed the lawn, but I did it with the strimmer and our grass went really, really long. And afterwards I was like, but anyway, leftovers omelette and pudding pots will set me right.